Instead of creating a shortcut manually, like I mentioned in my previous videos, you can add Control Panel directly to your desktop through Windows settings. Let me show you how to do this in both Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. So for Windows 10 computer, go to Settings, then click on Personalization. On the left side, click on Themes. On the right side, you will see Desktop Icon Settings under Related Settings. Go ahead and click on that. A new window called Desktop Icon Settings will appear. You will see the available system icons, including Control Panel. Just check the box next to Control Panel. Click Apply, then OK. Now look at your desktop. Control Panel icon has been added. Super handy for quick access whenever you need it. Alright, let's see how to do the same thing in Windows 11. Click on the Start button and select Settings. On the left side, click on Personalization and select Themes. You will see Desktop Icon Settings under Related Settings. Go ahead and click on that. The same Desktop Icon Settings window will appear, so check the box next to Control Panel. Click Apply, then OK. Control Panel icon will now appear on your desktop. So this is how you can add Control Panel to your desktop in both Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC.